Welcome guys back to a new part of our course in C programming. Today we're gonna see together how we can develop a program that using an iterative loop reads from the keyboard 10 integers and counts how many of them are odd and how many are even. So the first thing that we need to do, as always, is to type include stdio.h, the line which is a preprocessor directive that includes the standard input-output library. The stdio.h allows you to use functions like printf and scanf that we're gonna do below. After that is the main function, which is an entry point for execution in C program. By declaring two integer variables, I, which is gonna be used as a loop counter, and num for number to store the input integer. As we type int counter even and we initialize the counter variable to keep track of the count of even numbers. We're going to do the same thing to keep track of the count of the odds. To create our for loop that iterates from I equal to 0 to I equal to 9, because we need 10 repetitions, which reads 10 integers from the user. Inside the loop, we're gonna display the prompt asking the user to input an integer. Following a scanf function that reads an integer from the keyboard and stores it in the variable number. But be careful, because in order to check if the entered number is even, displayed by 2, we need to type if number %2 double equal 0, because if you type 1 equal, it means that you initialize the variable. But if you write 2 consecutive equals, it means that you give it that value. Finally, after the loop, we display the total count of even numbers entered by the user with a printf function that reads the count of even numbers is. Then we calculate the count of odd numbers by subtracting the count of even numbers from the total, which is 10. And then display the total count of odd numbers. Now to check the program has any problems, and as we can see, the program is fine and running right.